Hey, it's Jasmine and Audrey again. We're gonna be playing Fear Factor today, and we just made something very delicious for each other.
Ew!
I put some.
Wait, I want you to eat this first.
Okay, just wait. I put some green coloring food in there: curry, cinnamon, chocolate, Caesar, cheese stick, chocolate fondue, and I put some salt, some pepper, and some lemon juice and everything.
Okay, I have a cookie. It has chocolate on here, cheese, stinky cheese, toothpaste, ketchup, mustard.
Especially made by Girl Guides, no.
Ew. What else does it have on here?
I don't know. Here I go.
Wait, and ranch. Here you go. How am I supposed to eat that?
You just take this cheese stick and you throw it around.
Ew.
And you go, okay. After me. It kind of tastes delicious.
Ew.
Delicious. Oh!
It sounds like you almost do.
Oh no.
This is gross. What did you put in here? Something really stinks in there.
Just take. Yeah.
I'm scared. You take a bite first.
No.
Yeah. Take a bite.
No.
Let's see if Rocky does.
No, you do it.
I'm gonna get sick after this.
You're telling me that. You can't even taste the soup. The food coloring.
Yeah.
I have to eat it.
You don't have to eat it all.
I know.
Let's see if the dogs eat it. Wait, put your tongue on there.
Take a bite.
Oh God.
Oh. There you go.
Three of the dogs like it, but Cuddles doesn't.
Well, thank you. Bye. Here, you can do this.